Hey, let's go back to work. I want some marshmallows. Oh no, no.
Miriam was saying she wanted marshmallows.
Okay, Dad. Yeah. Hey, duck.
Duck.
Oh, hey, duck.
Duck.
Wow. Okay. Say duck.
Duck.
Oh, Mary, stay over here, please.
Okay.
Stay over here, please. No, Mary.
Go. You can go play.
Okay.
I'm going to run it. Do it. Okay. What's your there? Here's your friend. Here's your friend.
Peter is.
Now who's your friend?
Mommy.
Right here. Okay, Mommy, your picture taken.
Yep, I took a picture. I'm done taking the picture. It's your turn.
Then why are you holding it up still?
You're a queen.
I'm a queen.
Cheese.
Click.
You are queen. You are